Fergal Casalgani and everyone, and this is my presentation is all about the impact on social media on mental health. As we all know, social media has become an integral part of our lives, but have you ever stopped to think about it and its effect on our well-being? So let's proceed on my presentation that we talk about the impact of social media on mental health. The first slide is all about the negative impact. Research has shown that excessive social media use can lead to increased anxiety, despair, loneliness, and FOMO. This is especially true for teenagers and young adults. Social media's addictive nature triggers the release of dopamine, making us crave more likes and acceptance. But what happens when we don't receive that boost? Let's take a look on visual aid number 1, a graphic illustrating the negative effects of social media on mental health. Section 2. The impact of teenagers. Teenagers are particularly vulnerable to the negative effects of social media. The number 1 effects is cyberbullying, peer pressure, and the pressure to present a perfect online image can all take a toll on their mental health. This is my visual aid, a photograph of teenager looking at stressed or anxious while using social. Section number 3, solutions. So what can we do to mitigate the harm caused by social media? Firstly, we need to set limits and boundaries on our social media use. This can help us focus on other activities that bring us joy and reduce stress. We can also engage in offline self-care practices like exercise, meditation, or spending time with friends and family. This is my visual number 3, a photograph someone engaging in outdoor activities such as hiking or sport. The slide number 4, promoting healthy social media use. School can play a crucial role in promoting healthy social media use among students. By educating students on how to use social media responsibly and setting boundaries, we can reduce the negative effects of social media. We can also encourage students to participate in offline activities such as sport, arts, or spending time with friends. My visual aid is all about illustrating the benefits of promoting healthy social. In conclusion, social media can have a significant impact on our mental health. By raising awareness of the race and implementing measures to encourage healthy social media use, we can reduce the negative effects of social media and give students more time to focus on their own lives. Let's work together to create a healthier online community. And my last visual aids, a photograph of people from different age groups and backgrounds coming together to support mental health awareness. For now, this is my last thoughts. Thank you for listening, and I hope this presentation has raised awareness about the impact of social media on mental health. Let's take control of our social media use and prioritize our mental well-being. Thank you po, sir.